Using your unlocked phone with a MetroPCS SIM card.
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss a question many of you might have. Can I use my unlocked phone with a MetroPCS SIM card? The simple answer is yes, you most likely can. But let's dive deeper into this topic to understand what it involves.
What is an unlocked phone?
An unlocked phone is a device that is not tied to any specific carrier. This means that you're free to move from one carrier to another as long as your phone is compatible with their network. In essence, an unlocked phone provides you with more flexibility in choosing your service provider.
What is a MetroPCS SIM card?
MetroPCS, now known as Metro by T-Mobile, is a prepaid wireless carrier in the United States. A MetroPCS SIM card is a small chip that you insert into your phone that connects your device to the Metro network, allowing you to make calls, send texts, and use data. The important thing to know here is that MetroPCS operates on T-Mobile's GSM network.
Can I use my unlocked phone with a MetroPCS SIM card?
As we've established, an unlocked phone gives you the freedom to switch carriers. However, there's a key point to consider. Your phone needs to be compatible with the new carrier's network technology. MetroPCS uses T-Mobile's GSM network. Most modern unlocked phones are compatible with GSM networks, so there's a high chance that your unlocked phone will work with a MetroPCS SIM card. However, the best way to know for sure is to check your phone specifications to see if it supports GSM networks. So, to wrap up, yes, you can use your unlocked phone with a MetroPCS SIM card as long as your phone is compatible with GSM networks. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to double-check your phone specifications or contact MetroPCS directly. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Happy connecting!